When he came back from the vacation, he was actually 1 kg down. So I gave him the guidelines, and with that, he was able to maintain. क्या हाल चाल है भाई लोग? Good morning. I'm traveling for a work trip today. मैं चाहता था कि आपको दिखाया जाए यहाँ पे how do I manage my fitness even while traveling, so that you can pick up some pointers and in your next travel implement those to stay on track with your fitness goals. So first thing that I do is I fast as long as I can. Usually this is something that I suggest my members as well, something I implement on my own. I slept my way in the first flight. बाहर का खाना कितना भी आप healthy ढूंढ लो, कितना भी अच्छा ढूंढ लो, but still there will be some or the other caveat, because when you are not cooking it, you don't know what's going inside it in most of the cases. Definitely we will find some good options, but the very first thing that we can do here is fast as long as we can. And fasting is basically something जहाँ पे आप calories नहीं consume करते हो. So any kind of hot drink, coffee, tea, black tea, green tea, blue tea, जो भी आपको अच्छा लगता है. So this is something that helps you have that calorie surplus for the meal that you are going to indulge in. Obviously when you are traveling, you will be at a place जहाँ पे आप कुछ बाहर का खाओगे, right? And at that time, instead of thinking more over there, what you can do is pre-compensate a little with fasting, and then when you have a meal, have a good meal, indulge in there maybe, since you know now you have saved up a little. So when we go for a meal, मैं आपको वहाँ भी बताऊँगा कि how do I select my meals, especially in the airport if I find the lounge over here. So how to get the free access. It's time to test our luck. Let's see if we can get a good meal for free. So guys, we are in. Why I say the luck has worked, because all of this is absolutely free. Let me show what kind of options we are looking at over here. So to start with, a couple of things. Definitely going to take some salads in here. Then we have some fruits, some sprouts. Might not be going for these, but yes, definitely raita I'll be taking in. Soups are there on the sides. Breads are there. The main course, pulao, dal, mixed vegetable, paneer for the vegetarians. And here we have our chicken, the murg dhania chicken, right? And obviously desserts, cakes. हाँ, कुछ लोगों के मुंह में पानी आ रहा होगा सबको देख के. ये देख के मेरे को भी थोड़ा सा मूंग दाल हलवा is one of my favorites. And I'll show you what I choose out of all this, how we can make a healthy meal from this, and also then I'll tell you कि कैसे आप इस meal को free ले सकते हो, like I got. बेसिकली आप जब कार्ड्स लेते हैं ना, आपके पास डेबिट कार्ड्स हैं, क्रेडिट कार्ड्स हैं, उनके साथ कुछ सिलेक्ट लॉन्जेस पे आपको फ्री मील का एक्सेस मिलता है. क्वार्टरली कई जगह पे 2 रहता है, कई जगह 4 रहता है, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द कार्ड, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द बैंक. एंड दिस इज अ हिट एंड ट्रायल गेम, दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल इट लकी. इफ यू हैव मल्टीपल कार्ड्स, 1 or 2 आउट ऑफ देम विल वर्क. तो जब भी आपको कोई डेबिट कार्ड, आप क्रेडिट कार्ड नया बैंक अकाउंट बनवाते हैं, तो यू कैन आस्क दैट कि जो कार्ड मिलेगा उसके साथ आपको लॉन्च एक्सेस मिल रही है या नहीं. एंड दिस इज समथिंग आई हैव फेस्ड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग विद एक्सपीरियंस. अगर आपके पास मल्टीपल कार्ड्स हैं तो कोई उनमें से एक चलता है या 2 चल जाते हैं कभी कभी, इफ़ यू आर लकी. एंड समटाइम्स द पॉलिसीज चेंज ओवर टाइम, ओवर मंथ्स. उसकी वजह से होता ये है कि एक कार्ड जो अभी चल रहा था वो बाद में नहीं चलता. बट येस, यू गेट दैट free meal, and which is absolutely fabulous. You can get healthy options from there. If you know, you know. If you don't, now you know. The final tip of today, it presented a choice between walking on an escalator or walking normally, or choosing stairs or an escalator. Always choose the difficult option. Improve your NEAT. That means non-exercise activity thermogenesis. The extra calories that you had that day, जो आपने खाई हैं, कंज्यूम किए हैं, उसको बर्न भी करना ज़रूरी है. Calories in, calories out is definitely one part of the equation. If you balance that, you will experience that even on a trip. You can include in activities. See, this is the, I was talking about it, 1 day travel. If you are on a multi-day travel, you are on a vacation trip. Recently, one of my members, he went on a vacation. He was a little worried कि अब vacation पे जा रहा हूँ, क्या होगा, numbers increase हो जाएंगे. But when he came back from the vacation, he was actually 1 kg down, because he improved his NEAT. I told him how to take care of certain things. I gave him the guidelines, and with that, he was able to maintain and actually come down. You can also do the same. Improve your health while being on a trip, while making those mindful choices. And these are one of those. यहाँ दोनों में escalator थे, इसलिए I didn't have a choice. Otherwise, I would have walked. Okay. Hope this helped. Let me know, and see you soon.